All right, my people, and welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us, still on the matter. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly waiting the be, exactly waiting the people. Them they talk about. Yes, so onto this one, many things they don't stop, many things they don't happen. Yes, everything where we they talk about onto the level. Say, make it everybody wake up, make we go our separate ways. We don't talk this thing again and again. We go still dey repeat am because if we no continue to dey tell our people, we get some people wey be say dem get a stubborn head. Dem get a stubborn head. No matter wetin dem you tell them, they go say abeg you forget that thing wey will tell you say e dey happen. My brother, my sister, e no funny at all. Yeah, so with another news wey be say e don dey reach us now wey dey reach us, wey we dey receive. I know say some people fit don hear am for somewhere, but this one e just dey reach us. I can't say make I let my people know waiting the sup. Now for not strong thing na him they happen. According to waiting the sup, according to the news where they reach us, this one where we say they happen between Makurdi and the Abuja road. My brother, my sister, waiting they happen. Why be say all this Fulani people? They don't just make up their mind. They say they no one see Yoruba people for inside this country. They no one see the Igbos inside this country. And then we they talk we don't talk this thing pass. Where we say majority of people no one listen to us. We don't talk this thing say like this, so make all of us make we go our separate ways. The stubborn ones they still they drag. Okay, now before I proceed onto this matter, waiting the sup now be say for inside the north there, all this Fulani people waiting then they do now be say between Makurdi and Abuja, waiting then they do now be say then go stop bike. People carry bike say then they come out go somewhere. And then their target now Yoruba or Igbo man we carry Okada we be say they come out, so they don't go they waiting for them for middle of the road. Now waiting they happen now the new updates be this. They say they don't do this thing before, but now this one just still they happen. My brother, my sister, now only God now he go save us for this country. That is why we they say make everybody come outside. Now waiting they happen now be say anybody we carry Okada say in the comot, then don't go wait for for front. Now waiting that they do be say then go stop the Okada man, then go come check the person where the Okada man carry. If they say you be Yoruba or the Igbo, very easy to know because they know themselves. They don't say oh this one a Yoruba man, then go drag and come down, then go put that thing for his neck, then go cut his neck. My brother, my sister, this thing where they happen, we get the video where we say, hey, if you watch am, my brother, my sister, you go fear, you go know say God day. My brother, my sister, then go drop human being, then go cut human being like say na fish, like say na chicken. My brother, my sister, see wetin dey happen for this country. And then our government they still they say make we hold on. How long are we going to continue like this? Hey, my brother, my sister, this thing I no can understand again. No, we don't talk this thing again and again. Nothing where the government do, nothing where we say then they do. Now waiting then they do now for that road to be say if Okada man don't carry the person where they come out, then go stop the Okada. Then go drag the person where they inside counter. If they say na one of them, they go say make the Okada go. But if they say na Igbo man or Yoruba man, now waiting they happen now, they go start it to the cut, then go cut them and saute, then go put them for one side like chicken. Fowl will be say you key where you want pour or to water to come out the feather. Now so the thing will be say it they happen now for between Makurdi and Abuja road. Now waiting they say they happen now. All the Fulani people they 80 the Yoruba people so they can't say okay the only thing wey be say dem go do now be say all the Yoruba people wey dey for north dem go dey kpai dem one by one. All the Igbo people wey dey there dem go dey kpai dem one by one. Una know say we don talk this say every Yoruba man wey dey for north make dem dey come home no matter wetin you dey do for there, because you know say by the time these people strike e go be mass something. You know wetin I mean, mass kpayin na e go be. But now wey be say we don tell them since make dem dey come, dem no come. Now the hatred now don strong. E don strong. Oh yes, now wetin dem come dey do now be say dem wan dey kpai both Yoruba and Igbo people small till e go come be say e go remain only them to take over. But God no go everly agree make this one happen for them. God no go agree for them. Oh, because now we no get anything to talk again pass this thing, because the life of people e dey very important. We must dey bring this news to dey expose them, see wetin dem dey do. International community where una dey, make una come see wetin dey happen. You know, so we don talk this thing. I dey talk this thing since this our treaty 100 years e don complete, and they don tell us say if we don reach 100 years, if we don see say our relationship e no gel again, e no dey work again, we are free to go our separate ways. I don call on the lawmakers since, so we don shout their name. That's why I say make una dey share this video so that e go dey reach all of them. Make una dey share am, because this one no be joke again. If it happen to anybody, nobody even free again, nobody safe from this thing. Anybody wey dem see now, if so far you no be them, you no be part of them, you no be Fulani. If we even hear say dem dey even dey kpai some Awusa people, this is Fulani people, dem different from Awusa. This thing where they happen, my brother, my sister, you know say our Yoruba people them plenty for north well they fit decide to start for any part of the north. Yes, now waiting they happen now be that they no even need on our money. They know, you know, say before they go say go bring ransom. Waiting that one self now wickedness. All those money for ransom where then they collect it for all the people hand now to buy more sophisticated weapon to take the attack the people. Of which after they don't collect this ransom, if they don't collect this money for ransom, they go still buy the person. Now waiting they happen since, but this one now the latest one. Some people say this kind of thing don't happen before, so that's same Lagos-Abuja, but this one now the latest way we say it they happen. If you get anybody, my brother, my sister, you get anybody for north now, no matter the work where the person they do for that side, I beg you, tell this person, advise them, make them the wrong come out. So I don't know as they want to escape that one, but hey, now only God, because the level where the thing don't reach now, they no can they go, they no can say they won't go express road, go they kidnap people for inside bus. Now they don't near the people domoto. Say at least if una carry Okada, from Okada where una carry, we go feel bring una down. My brother, my sister, this one no be joke again, no. This one no be joke again, no. People they shout, oh my God, waiting behind this thing. Why? Waiting they happen. No wonder where these people they talk say come 2027, say na their man na him go take over the country. So now waiting the one they do for this country be this. Say now wetin dem wan dey do be this. They say they regret, say dem vote for the Yoruba man wey dey there, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They say they regret. Say in fact after this 4 years they go make sure say this man no continue that tenure. Now wetin dem dey talk now be that. I know say many people go don hear that news. If you never hear this news, just go Chrome now, make you type am. Make you type am. Wetin the Fulani they talk about 2027 election. Everything dey online. You no need anybody to they no can they draw your ear. They tell you every now and then. My brother, my sister, we all need to wake up. We all need to wake up. Oh, everybody, if you there, wetin you want to do for that side, we be say now until they buy you, now your eye go come clear. Because anybody where they don't buy now, that is the end. All those things, all those property where you say you get for there, you no go fit touch them again. You no go fit touch them again. No, Baba God, now your hand with there. That is why we they shout Yoruba nation, no going back. Now many people can't understand. Say, see this Yoruba nation where would they talk about? You no be joke at all. You no be joke at all. Oh. Because with the way everything they go now, my brother, my sister, hey, life has no duplicate. Life has no duplicate. both the Yoruba and the Igbo na im dem dey kpai for the north now. All these Amajiri people, all these Fulani people, because dem believe say their forefather no know the doctrine wey dem believe in, say na dem get the nation. That is why dem wan make this Muslim of a thing happen. Dem wan turn the country to a Muslim country, and now come dey surprise some Muslim come outside say no be so. Dem teach dem make dem dey kpai. But this Amajiri people, their own be say dem no go gree, dem go continue to dey kpai, say na wetin Allah tell dem be that. My brother, my sister, this one no take am for joke. If you get anybody wey dey not now, abeg you tell them, because now the video e dey with this. In fact, na something wey be say we no go fit show. I for say make I even show am small, but no, I no go fit show am because of the policy of this platform wey we dey. My brother, my sister, e no funny at all. Yoruba nation no going back. If you dey out there say all these people wey dey shout Yoruba nation, say dem dey make noise, I'm very sure say God no go let this kind thing happen to you, not to talk of your family member. My brother, my sister, any kan lo mo, according to wetin the Yoruba people dey talk any kan lo mo as this thing be so, my brother, my sister, e no funny again. E no funny again. We must go our separate ways. Yes, so agbodo lon lora wa ni, because bó ṣe ń lọ báyìí ó tojú sú everybody. Lè continue báyìí láyé. Yoruba nation ló lè ṣe o. Yoruba nation na only Yoruba nation na im fit do am. Every other tribe dey feel say okay, dem never ready. But now if the Yoruba nation resume, make everybody dey on im own. We want peace for our life. We want peace. So they no let us fit go farm. They no let us fit comot to see do wetin we want do for ourselves. They wan make hunger kpai us even for our own land. Then they come, not to talk of people wey dey their own land there. Hey, my brother, my sister, this thing wey we dey talk no be joke again. No be joke again. Make everybody wake up. I don't know wetin the government dey do. I don't know wetin dey happen like this, because now even the kind weapon wey be say dem dey carry give these people, they say even na police, na soldier, they no burn them well, make they come outside, because they no get the kind weapon wey dem get. Oya now ask me how this weapon take dey enter inside this country. How e take dey enter? Who and who dey sign am? Why we can't get security personnel for inside this country wey be say they no fit do their job, yet then they kpai them on a daily basis. Oh my God, Baba God, na your hand will do. Well, my brother, my sister, na this one be the one wey be say e dey enter now. Where I say make I let una know as e dey hot and as e dey gbona. Okay, if this one na your first time wey be say you dey join us onto this channel, I beg you make you try your best to make you subscribe, make you follow us, dey share, make you dey like, thumbs up. Yes, so now so it can be onto this level until I come on our next time. My brother, my sister, I say on a bye for now.